Okay, we ordered a Lafufu from Aliexpress. That's how it's come. I'm not sure about this. Okay, so it's come in a box. Okay, well there's no... Stop barking! There's no QR code on the box. There's no pop mart on the box. That's what that says. Oh my god, I'm literally scared to see... I'm scared to see what it looks like. Oh, there's like half a pull tab. There's not supposed to... They're supposed to go all the way along.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. There's no card. Right, what do we think? Are we going to have a guess what colour it is?
I think it's going to be green grape or sea salt coconut.
So you think blue or green?
Yeah.
I think it's going to be lychee berry. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. What is it going to look like? Not looking. Oh, I was right. Its feet are a little bit deformed. I don't know, what do we think? It says Pop Mart and it says the Monsters. Its arms are not too bad. It's got a QR on the tag. What do we think? Obviously it's Lafufu. It's not too bad. 1, 2, how many teeth has it got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's got 9 teeth, but it's got a little flesh coloured tooth. It's alright though, I guess, for, I think it was £5.71 or something, so we can't really complain, can we? So I scanned the QR code here in the label and it took me to the Pop Mart website, which I was surprised about. But what it says is that the code has exceeded the number of verifications. So to me, obviously, that says that they've printed the same QR codes on multiple dolls. So that means, obviously it's fake. I know it's fake, but yeah. So they're trying pretty hard to make it look real, but still, for a £5, not too bad, is it?